Lose control. Lose control. अपनी तो पाठशाला मस्ती की पाठशाला अपनी तो पाठशाला मस्ती की पाठशाला Lose control. चेहरे की किताबें हैं हम वो पढ़ने आते हैं ये सूरत तेरी मेरी मोबाइल लाइब्रेरी यारों की इक्वेशन है लव मल्टीप्लिकेशन है जिसने दिल को जीता है वो अल्फा है थीटा है वो अल्फा है थीटा है वो अल्फा है थीटा है Lose control. Lose control. I'm a
She'll have very unique ideas.
Chirpy birdie.
Working and learning at the same time and having fun too.
I bitch with her, I gossip with her.
Very creative.
Someone who has to always analyze everything.
I like books, theatre, talking a lot, writing, poetry, and yeah, that's about it.
Khalu Jan.
आनंद तो शायर है.
He just brings out the best in you.
He is larger therefore in several ways, including his worldview.
एक्चुअली जावेद साहब का एक शेर है, जहाँ जाते हैं सब जाना वहाँ अच्छा नहीं लगता. मुझे पायमाल रास्तों का सफर अच्छा नहीं लगता. बुलंद पर्सनालिटी है.
Full of life.
Mentor.
Absolute desire to not stop till you get it right.
Future Brands backs you and backs you all the way. It backs you unconditionally. If it is ordinary, then why are we doing it?
He is one person who has so many different qualities that flow into an individual, and yet he wears it very lightly.
गालिब का एक शेर है कि बाजी चाहे अतफाल है दुनिया मेरे आगे, होता है शबो रोज तमाशा मेरे आगे.
Future Brands actually could be one of those companies which some years from now people would look back and say that okay, that was a different model of a different kind of an organization.
Anju, nice.
Very quick in whatever she's doing.
Anwa is a दिल्ली की झोला वाली.
She's full of surprises, man. I think.
My assignment is to think about everything which is outside the regular assignments. It's work in progress.
Anuradha.
Mommy at work.
Mother superior of this office.
Mother of all.
It's a fun place. That's what Future Brands is. To me, it's like a second home, you can say.
I call him the professor.
Wisdom, patience.
Gentleman.
A rock of sorts.
He's a sage.
परेशानियों को परेशान करने की उनमें ताकत है.
Future Brands is temple of knowledge. It's a very open space wherein people come and discover themselves.
He'll have a comment on everything.
Oh, he's a dude, man. He's the coolest CFO I've seen.
Deepak is very witty.
Sometimes can say most insightful things in a very funny, trivial way.
हो तेरे मेरे सपने अब एक रंग हैं, हो जहाँ भी ले जाए राहें हम संग हैं.
I think he's still trying to fit into, come into this enjoyable, fun world where, work can also be fun. So he's trying to figure himself out.
कार्तिक की अभी थोड़ी स्थिति कार्तिक कॉलिंग कार्तिक टाइप है.
Kind of work that we do is, I guess, got to do a lot with trying to think and arrive at solutions.
Effortlessly bright.
I am for PowerPoints being considered as a form of literature. Way to go.
Future Brands, I think, it's a fortunate coming together of people who think in a certain way about brands and about life.
Interesting, okay, way of seeing things very visually.
Mandeep is a Punjaban.
A lot of space to create something new, experiment, innovate, and it's like a playground. It's like, where you can do what you want to do.
Maru Pathan.
Vivacious, energetic person.
Nidhi is this short live wire.
At the moment, bhaiyo.
I can be myself and I'm pushed to be myself, and given that confidence every time from people around me that, I'm good.
One is a maverick.
Very difficult to control.
This is what I do is I go here
I go here, 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 I go here. Not gone here, I want to go there. What interests people is my interest.
Preeti is about entrepreneurship.
Preeti! Oh, she's a Barbie doll of our office.
Having such a vibrant, such a entrepreneurial, such a empowering culture, it's a fantastic place to work with, to grow as a person, professionally and personally.
Puneet's fun, knows lots about technologies.
I want to say something quite mean, but I have to say he's a total must person, a free-flowing river of sorts.
I moved to Delhi only because of Future Brands, and I'm glad I did so because the city sucks, but this place is more than enough to keep me here. Shamit, अरे बाप रे, क्या बोलूं?
बेतरतीब सा जाहिर कुछ है, हौले हौले ढूंढता कुछ है, धीरे धीरे बीनता कुछ है, और बात करे तो लगे कि कुछ है.
Insightful.
If there was one individual that we had to represent to the world outside, saying that this is Future Brands, I'm feeling it might be Sumit.
Yeah, you have to be slightly dissatisfied. I mean, if things are okay, fine. I mean, what are you trying to? I mean, you need some amount of some kida in you, something.
He's like a live stunning performance, day after day, hour after hour, and you're like.
Teacher.
As a person, I think he spoils you. You start working for him, you can't work for anyone else after that.
He's a must director, not managing director.
I mean, we have a bunch of people who are strange, who are who each of them has their idiosyncrasies in a sense, but it's the pooling together of the idiosyncrasies and the strangeness in a sense that I think gives it a certain edge. The whole Bharat Darshan idea, it's been a fantasy of mine for years.
कहे पुकार के बीच बिछा ले प्यार के मौसम बीता जाए 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 अपनी कहानी छोड़ जा कुछ तो निशानी छोड़ जा कौन कहे
It's a very different kind of experience, a very insightful experience, and I think that is Bharat Darshan is one thing that I'll remember throughout my life.
Actually, this is a Future Brands idea because it's what Future Brand does.
Bharat Darshan was what all of us undertook. It was basically, very simply put, a study of Bharat, a study of India.
It's eventually about human beings, and if you're going to look at it wider in a perspective, it's about human beings in conjunction with the universe.
Bharat Darshan was my first project when I think I went on Bharat Darshan before I came to office. So it was a very, very intense learning experience. So Bharat Darshan was fun.
Bharat Darshan is about getting a glimpse of Bharat, the darshan of Bharat in its true sense.
वहाँ जब जाते हो बातें करते हो गोबर में पाँव पड़ता है वो उसमें मजा आता है. I think that's good fun.
आपका जब तक लेंस भारतीय नहीं होगा, आप भारत और भारतीयों के लिए किस तरह से स्ट्रांगली चिपकने वाले, स्ट्रांगली कनेक्ट बॉन्ड होने वाले ब्रांड आइडियाज कंसीव करेंगे.
Went with a lot of assumptions, our own assumptions, but which were broken when we went there.
It's a very different way of exploring India, and I feel I had fun doing it.
Bharat Darshan is an initiative where what we did was went to different tier 2 towns of India, and we actually immersed ourselves there, trying to understand the change that was happening there.
Bharat Darshan was an dream-like opportunity, I think, which all of us got to just go out there and explore the world, explore cities which from a lens which no one had really done before. At least I had never done before from that perspective.
This was my first experience of visiting the South, so it was a completely different new world out there, and because I couldn't understand the language, I think I actually studied them visually.
India is certainly different from Bharat, and Bharat is certainly different from India.
The other very interesting thing about Bharat Darshan and things like that is that actually you yourself actually become very shameless and go out there and intrude into people's life, and that's fun.
Bharat Darshan, I think, was in a sense a fantasy realized for a lot of people at Future Brands. I think a lot of us harbor some fantasy of having or wanting to be travel journalists and writers, and I think this was in a way that coming true for a lot of us.
Yeah, I went to Punjab, okay, and I really wanted to go up there because I've never been up north. So I went there, and basically we spent a week talking to people and going to the markets and checking it out.